Hi everyone. So today I want to move into the creative component of the Muckrakers unit, and we are going to focus on the artist Barbara Kruger. So Barbara Kruger is an American collage artist. She uses photos overlaid with declarative captions. Her art pieces are frequently black and white photos with red bold text, and her work often includes the pronouns you, I, we, and they, which addresses cultural constructions of power, identity, and gender. Now, when we talked about the muckrakers, we talked about the social issues of that time, and Barbara Kruger usually focuses on feminism, consumerism, and politics. So here are a couple examples of Barbara Kruger's art pieces. And you'll see here are the black and white photos and the bold red text. She did create some art pieces with color, and her text typically was a couple of words, sometimes up to a paragraph, and sometimes her artwork just had one bold word onto it. As she went further into her career, she actually sometimes created art that was just bold text to really get her point across. You will each be getting a copy of this slideshow presentation so you can look more at her art pieces. So, what is a collage? So, Tate Art defines a collage as a technique and resulting work of art in which pieces of paper, photographs, such as what Kruger made, fabric, and other materials that are arranged and stuck down onto a supportive surface. And I attached this 45-second video segment that defines collage and art, and you can view that later on when you have more time. So I want to review the rubric with you. So it is broken up into 20 points. The first is you are using a subject that's related to a modern issue. The second 20 points is you are integrating that bold text into your finished piece. You are using collage techniques and proper imaging. Your finished work displays attention to detail, quality effort, and your thought to juxtaposition. So your composition is a huge component. Remember your elements, remember your principles of design. And the last 20 points is that you turn this in on time. It has a title and it has your name on it, so I know who made that beautiful art. So as you have learned, Barbara Kruger creates collage art, bringing awareness to contemporary social issues. So you now will have an opportunity to create your own collage based on an issue of your choice. Examples of 21st century issues could include poverty, world hunger, war, racism, LGBTQ, women's rights, pollution, deforestation, politics, climate change, consumerism, education, and these are just a few of a long list of social issues. So once you choose your issue, you are going to start looking for images for your collage. Now, you may want to use a magazine, newspapers, photos, pages from a book, printouts. Don't forget about using the proper imaging for if you print something out online. And reach out to me if you need help with getting an image. Your collage must include text. Your text can be one word, it can be up to a paragraph, and you need to portray your message. So you may want to print out, use words cut from other text, or you can even write it, but it must be bold. Really bring attention to your issue. Your composition is also very important. This piece should be similar to a style of a poster or a graphic image. Think about those elements of art. Think about those principles of design, and you have 1 week to complete. Remember to title your piece and write your name. And we just reviewed the rubric if you need more details. So the materials you're going to need are an 8 by 10 piece of cardstock paper, glue. You can use white glue, You can use spray adhesive. You can use a glue stick. You're going to want text, those magazines, the books, the newspapers, printouts from online. And again, come see me if you have any questions on anything or need help. You're going to need markers and you're going to need scissors. So once we complete our Barbara Kruger inspired collage, we're going to have a group discussion the day after the due date, which will showcase each piece. And then we are going to display these by the school library. So have fun creating your collage. Reach out to me if you have any questions or need any materials, and enjoy your contemporary form of creating a muckraker project. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.